ICSE Class 10 Maths paper of 2026. We finished with section A MCQ as a separate video. Then question number 2 and 3 we have finished also. So you will see the link somewhere in the description also. And question number 3 we finished. Question number 4 and 5 of section B we finished. And now we are heading towards question number 6. So watch very carefully how you have solved the paper, whether your steps were correct or no, and how the marks distribution would be done for this paper. Let us look at question number 6. First part. Kabir bought 120 shares of a company, nominal value ₹100, available at a premium of 25. So question number 6, first part, the number of shares is 120. Nominal value means the face value is ₹100, and at a premium means the market value will be equal to ₹100 plus 25, which gives us the market value as 125. Find the money invested. So I would write number A as the money invested by Kabir in buying shares equal to, I'm just using this, you will have to write, but I'm saving on time, would be equal to number of shares multiplied by market value, which means it is 120 multiplied by 125. So we'll keep this 0, 12 5s, 12 5 60, carry 6, 12 2s 24, 6 30, carry 3, 12 1s 12 and 3 15. So we have got rupees 15,000 as the first answer. We come to the B part. The rate of dividend, if we received 1080 as the dividend, means annual income. So we have to write for this annual income formula as D upon 100 into N into FV. So 1080 will be equal to rate of dividend I do not know, so D upon 100 into N, we have 120 shares, into FV was 100. 100 got cancelled, so D is equal to 1080. The calculations are pretty simple. 12 9s 108, so D percent, that is dividend percent, is 9%. So this becomes your answer B. This was good enough. It's a 3-mark question, so 1 mark for this and 1 mark for getting this 9%. For the C part, rate of return, I have told you use the formula D upon 100 of FV is equal to R upon 100 into MV. It goes very, very fast. So 9 into 100 is equal to R into MV is 125. So R is equal to 9 into 100 upon 125. 25 4s and 5s. So return percent is 9 4s 36 upon 5%, which will come out to be 5 7s 35 and 1/5 means. So this is the return percent. And that becomes our answer C, which is again for 1 mark. So I think it was a straightforward question and most of you must have got this right. I'm very confident that you must have got it right. We are coming to the next one, which is the mean of the following frequency distribution using step deviation method. Assume mean, you have to take the assume mean as 28. Now here you will have to make the columns. So the columns I will make here. Hopefully I should be able to fit in the class intervals. Then I'll have to write the frequency. Then I'll have to write the class mark. Then I'll have to find the T, and then I'll have to make the FT. So these are my columns: class interval, frequency, X means class mark, and then I will say T is equal to X minus A, the whole thing upon I, and I will have F into T. I will just copy this fast. So 24 to 32, 32 to 40, and 40 to 48. Frequencies 10, 20, 14, 16, 18, and 22. So we will need sigma F. How much is sigma F? 30 and 30, 60. 60 and this is 40. 100. Correct? Once again, this is 18 and 2, 20, 20, 40. 40 and 30, 70 and 30. 100 is correct. X will be 0 plus 8 upon 2 means 4. 8 plus 16 upon 2 will be 12. Correct? This plus this upon 2. So this will be 4 and 8. So this will be 20. As the class mark, this will be 28. And this will be 32 and 4, 36. And this will be 44. Okay. They say take assume mean as 28. So this is your A. So you have X minus A and your I value. If assume mean is 28, I is going to be the class width, which is the difference between two upper limits or lower limits. Yeah, so that will be 8. So you will have this minus 28 is minus 24. So minus 24 upon 8 is minus 3. So this will be minus 2, this will be minus 1, this will be 0, and this will be 1 and 2. Now multiply by the frequency. So minus 30 here, minus 40 here, minus 14 here. This will be 0. 18 into 1 is 18, and 22 into 2 is 44. Let's take the negatives. 30 and 70, 84. So minus 84. And here if you take this together, 8 and 4, 12, carry 1, so 62. So here below this you will have sigma ft will be equal to this subtracted from 84. So minus it will be 22. Okay, sigma ft will be 84 minus 62, that is 22 with a minus sign. What is our mean formula? Of course we have to write below this. I don't have space. Mean is going to be equal to A plus sigma ft upon sigma f multiplied by I. This is 28 plus sigma ft is minus 22 upon sigma f is 100 into I is 8. So 28 plus, do not get carried away with this and cancel. 8 into 22, 8 to 16. So minus 176 upon 100 means this, but it will have minus sign like this. So it will be 28 minus 1 is 27. 27 minus 0.76 is 26 point how much? 24. Double check. 76 and 24 gives you 100. Yes. So carry 1. So it is correct. Are these any marks or anything? Nothing. So what did they say? Take assuming. So you have found this. Alright, and that would be your answer. Alright, it is a 4-mark question or 3-mark question. I forgot to check the marks. It's a 3-mark question. It's a 3-mark question. It's a 3-mark question. So you are going to get 1 mark for this. Alright, 1 mark for this and 1 mark for this. Okay, to do all this it will be only 1 mark. Alright, actual calculation is the formula as well as the other stuff. Alright, so that was your 3-mark question. Now look at your third one. If there are natural numbers, you will say let the two natural numbers be, you can take them as x and x minus 5, but I want to take x and x plus 5. I like to use plus sign so that there is less confusion. Sum of their reciprocals. So I will write sum of reciprocals is equal to 3 upon 10. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 3 upon 10. And we will have to take LCM here. So x plus 5 plus x. Pretty simple question. So 2x plus 5 upon x squared plus 5x is equal to 3 upon 10. Cross multiply. 3x squared plus 15x equal to 20x plus 15. So 3x squared plus 15 minus 20 is minus 5x minus 15 equal to 0 is our quadratic equation. The product will be minus 3 into 15. Don't forget to use this in the product. Minus means you'll get a difference equal to minus 5. So if you take 5 into 3, are we getting? 1 minute, what did I write over here? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. What happened over here? Something went wrong here. What went wrong? What went wrong? 20x and here 50. How did I overlook this? Very bad. Okay, so this is minus 20x and here it will become, so this is wrong over here. We made a mistake. Don't want to make a mistake. Such a simple calculation. Did you see that? I was thinking of something. So 3x squared plus this will be minus 5 and minus 50. Okay, so the product is 3 into 50 and the difference is 5. So here we have 5 into 10 and here it will be 5 into 2. Can you see over here 3 5 15 and 5 2 10? So let us write the factors. 3x squared minus 15x plus 10x minus 50 equal to 0. So good factorization, not very demanding, not very taxing, and x minus 5 is common and 3x plus 10. So we will have x minus 5 equal to 0 or 3x plus 10 equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 or 3x equal to minus 10, x equal to minus 10 upon 3. This will be not applicable since x is a natural number. So therefore the number, therefore x equal to 5, and then we will say therefore the numbers are x comma x plus 5, which is equal to 5 comma 5 plus 5, which is equal to 5 and 10. Okay, so good enough. Don't forget to write the two natural numbers. I would prefer to write two natural numbers. Okay, so this was for 4 marks. To get the assumption and your reciprocal, this would be 1 mark. To get the quadratic equation, to get the factors and the answer statement. Okay, so that is how the distribution of marks would be. Okay, so that is our question number 6. Now question number 7. Question number 7, first part. You'll have to draw the diagram for your solution. You would need the diagram, and we will use the mathematical tables. So mathematical tables are here. Okay, so angle of elevation of the top of the flag post and the foot of the flag post is 33 and 31. Find the height of the flag post, means from here to here.
CD.
This is supposed to be x, DC, and CD or DC,
Yes, ma'am.
and to the correct meter. So as usual, you will have to take the two triangles. So in right a triangle, we'll take the first small one, so ABC. I would use tan of 31 degrees will be equal to CB upon AB. So CB is equal to, AB is 100. So 100 into tan.
31.
Do you have the number in front of you?
0.6009.
Thank you. So that gives you 60.09.
60.09.
I am so happy that you didn't have to take the complement. Remember earlier,
yes,
sometimes you will get 100 upon tan 31. Then we have to take the complement. So this is a direct thing. Hai na? And then in right a triangle, the big one, that will be ABD.
ABD.
Tan 33 degrees will be equal to BD upon AB, which is 100. So BD is equal to 100, that is AB, multiplied by tan of 33. Could you give me that also, please?
0.6494.
Very good. Thank you. So 64.94 meter. Now the height of flagpole. We have to write the statement equal to CD, which is equal to BD minus CB or BC, which is equal to 64.94,
64.94
and you
minus
can write the numbers
60.
below this also. If you are, then this is 14 minus 9 is 5. So this will be 8 and this will be 3. Correct? So this would be, they say nearest meter they are saying. So
4.85.
yeah, so this is equal to, I don't have space, so I'll write here. It will be nearest meter means here. So 3.85 is 4 meter. So rounding off will be 1.
64 minus 60 will be 4. No?
Oh yeah, what did I do? What did I do? I got carried away. Sorry. So this is 9 and this is 4. Correct? So 94 minus 9 is 85. So this will be rounding off to this, so 5 meter. Okay, so rounding off will be 1 mark. This will be 1 mark. It's this over here 1 mark, this over here 1 mark. Oh my goodness, why are they giving so many marks? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth mark, I don't know from where to give now.
I think it would be finding the angles in the law.
I think the finding the values. Okay, so they could be, this could be incorporated if both the values are right. Maybe 1 mark could be accommodated over there. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. So now this question over here, we have to look at the weights and the number of students. We'll need cumulative frequency. There are total how many? 100 students. Median weight you have to find and percentage of those. So I'm just going to write here what are the question. One lovely child has given me the ready-made ogive, the median weight, and B is percentage of students weighing 60 kg or more. So I'm keeping this in front of me. And the next one is weight above which 20% of students lie. Okay, so these are the 3 questions. Oh, why did I do this? So let us look at, yeah, this is the ogive that has been in front of us. So now we have for the first part, for the median, remember there are 100 students. Now here number of students is written in very tiny handwriting. I hope I can't read this, but I can see there's something written over here. The scale is written here. I can't magnify this because the entire ogive you will not be able to see otherwise. So what do we write the step as? Median weight. Actually, even before that, even before plotting, remember this is what we have to make. The weight like this, number of students, that is frequency, cumulative frequency, and the points to plot. So this should be made ready and kept. So thank you so much for making it ready for me. So median weight is going to be equal to Q2, which is n upon 2th term. So n upon 2th term will be 100 upon 2 means 50th term.
50th term.
And that is equal to 50th term. Now here this is 50. So here should be written n upon 2th term. And the arrow already has been drawn. So this, can you read this for me? How much is it?
56 kg.
So this is 56 kg. Okay. Now here you could write over here median. My annotator is going to be a little thicker, but with pencil you'll be able to write properly 56 kg along this. You can see the arrow also over here. So this is your A part. Okay. Now for B part you need students weighing 60 kg or more. I'll have to create space to write that. So I'll write here 60 kg or more. 60 kg is here. So you are going up this way, coming here. It's coming to, this is 70, right? So
Yes.
you are going to say number of students. Number of students, and will write weighing 60 kg or more is going to be this much region. Means total is how much? 110, no?
Ma'am, 100.
The total is 100. You have put over here.
Yes.
There's no need to write this 110. Okay, so 100. So 100 minus 70. It will be this region. From here to here, this region will be this part. Okay, so that will be how much? 30 students. But they say percentage of student. So therefore, we will say percentage of students, blah blah blah, all this will be equal to 30 upon
30
total
upon
is
100 into 100.
very good. Such lovely calculations, no?
Yes.
Hardly any headache, right? I
Yes.
think it was an amazing paper. So this is B, answer B. Then we come to the C part, weight above which 20% of the students lie. So you are going to say 20% of students means it will be 20 upon 100 into 100, which means 20 students, correct? The weight above which 20% of the students, where are the students? 20 here. So the 20, I'll need to change the color here. I'll just use this. Is it red? Huh. So 20% of the students weight above which 20% of the students lie. 20% of the students would be in this region. Okay. Can you see from here to here there are 20 students. This region is the overweight people. So from here you'll have to come down. Now I'm going to ask you to read this because I cannot read this. How much is it? How much is this number?
It's 66, I think.
Bacha,
No,
who
60.
did this? Quickly, can you read from your graph? From 80, how much you are getting over here? I can't magnify it. It's looking like 66, no?
She has taken 5 units.
No, sorry.
63.
This is 60 and this is 70 and this is 65. How many divisions are these? 6 divisions?
Yes, ma'am, it's 63.
So it is 63 kgs. Understood what? See, this one is 63 because from here to here, you cannot see it. You'll have to magnify this. These are how many divisions? There are 6
divisions.
6 divisions, and from here to here there are from 60 to 70 there are 10 and 20. From here to here there are 20 divisions. Okay, so 20 divisions is going to give you 10 units. So two divisions will give you 1 unit. So 6 divisions will give you 3 units, means 3 kgs. So 60 and 3, this will be 63 kg. Okay, so what are you going to say because of this? Therefore, I'll continue over here. Therefore, weight above which 20% of the student lie is equal to how much? 63 kg. So from here to here, let me just change the color. From here to here, this will be the weight above, and these are the heavier built people over here in this region, from here to here. And this will be the weight above which you are going to have the heavier people. Alright, so that finishes our this. So total marks for this were 5 marks. I forgot to check the marks.
Yes, ma'am, 5
yes,
marks.
it is 5 marks. So here it will be 1 mark here, 1 mark here, 1 mark here. And to write your cumulative frequency is 1 mark. And for the graph to plot along with whatever will be 1 mark. Okay, each one of these will be 1 mark. Alright, so that finishes our question number 7. So 6 and 7 is done. 8, 9, 10 will be done together in the next video.